you. Where we going? I don't know, let's see what's there. Start off here, man. I'll follow you. BMW or Triumph? We've been Triumph, I've not been Beamer. Yeah, let's do Beamer then. Okie dokie. Let's go to BMW. Oh, that's a nice Range Rover. Look at them quad exhausts. That's sick. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Geordie. You join me in where? Hertfordshire. Austin behind me on the Triumph Street Scrambler 900. I'm on the Sport Glide, and we are off to BMW in Welwyn Garden City. 8 miles away from here, 20 minutes. Yeah, we're just going to go have a look around. We haven't been to this dealership before. I am keen to check out the R9Ts that are there. Not sure we've got any time to do any test riding today, unfortunately, but definitely worth checking out. Yeah, I really love the that boxer engine that they do, and I love how customizable them R9Ts are. I've seen so many beautiful custom R9Ts online. They seem like a really good base to do a little custom job, but comes with a high price tag. Oh, little doggy got scared.
Sorry, noisy boys.
When you're going to get your exhaust? Next month. Project Austin's Triumph customization. Exhaust, seat, tank, bars, everything. Little tail tidy. Gonna make it look so good, and it's gonna be such a good winter project and winter bike. On our way to Welwyn. It's about 8 miles from here. 16 minutes. Maybe grab some breakfast somewhere. We haven't got too much time this morning, but we've got a good few hours just to get out and enjoy the dryness. It's been raining all week, so I haven't had any time to ride. So I thought we'd make the most of this dry Saturday. Got my V10 helmet on, and it makes the most annoyingest whistle when you've got the visor up. And I love having a little bit of wind on my face, but whenever I put the visor up and I go over like 30 miles an hour, it's just got a horrible whistle to it. Bad design from HJC, I guess. God, it just feels so good being back out on the bike after a week of not riding. I think that's probably the longest stint of not riding I've done this year. Okay, look at that, beautiful Defender, beautiful 911, beautiful houses. It's an MTO something. Tunnel blip. That's a good looking bike, that Triumph. It looks so planted. Does need an exhaust though. Can't hear it. BMW. If I can get myself in there.
How nice is that Triumph speed triple?
Where? Oh yeah, I love them. This is nice too. I don't think I've seen one of these in the flesh. Look at the quick shift. Oof. Yeah, wow. 170 brake, I think. I love the Boxer engine sound. I like this.
Yeah.
Don't say anything horrible.
I'm not. I didn't.
Alright. Let's get another little look round.
Don't say anything horrible now.
Huh?
Don't say anything horrible.
That is so nuts.
What is it, the triple? Or is it what is it?
Yeah, speed triple, yeah. It's a triple, so it's a triple cylinder, yeah. Love the front fairing. But then the new Thruxton 400's got the same front fairing.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at this thing. That's sick. What the heck?
Cyberpunk electric bike.
That's sick. Wow.
I'd say one day, but I don't know. Like, I don't know.
Bro, look at the front. No, we'd never be allowed. We'd never ever be allowed.
Do you like these with the Dakar like paint job?
Yeah, sick.
Yeah, super cool.
I'm just worried about this could be potentially be too tall for me. Like seat height wise.
Do you think?
I prefer that.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's really cool, isn't it? It looks like a cruiser.
Yeah. What do you think of the new 1300s that have like the boxier body?
That is basically a BMW version of my bike, isn't it? It's exactly the same as my bike, just made by BMW. It's stunning, isn't it?
I think that engine is so good looking.
That engine is probably the best looking, isn't it? Probably the best, yeah.
And I love the front, it's not like the Beamer logo on it. It's like...
Little floorboards are cool.
You can't have forward controls though, can you?
Yeah, the seating position, yeah, because obviously, the cylinders would be in your way, so that would be like you're just sitting in your office chair, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like that. That dash integrated in headlight.
Yeah, it's nice. Berlin built.
Just a work of art, that one, isn't it?
How many brake reckon's in that?
I don't know, but I love how low the front is compared to the back. I love like the
the angle. Should we look how many brake it is?
So this is a new. This is the new one, isn't it?
The new version of the R9T. It's really smart, isn't it?
It's lovely looking. I bet that ride's so nice. Fair.
The old one is good, but one of the big ones that people was the stuff.
That's quite pretty, isn't it? M1000.
There's one in black, yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Satin black. Yeah, that is sexy. Just looks far too tall for me.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, that is very, very nice, isn't it?
And it is a cool logo. Like the enamel.
Not many R9Ts here, have there? Oh, there's one in there. Let's go have a look at that one.
I've got 2 years off.
There we go, Monster.
Want a little coffee?
Sold. Yeah, hit me with one, yeah. What options have we got?
Macchiato, Cortado.
Oh, a little cortado, yeah. Chocolate powder, get me some of that.
Chocolate powder?
Yeah.
I don't know if I've got it in the right split. Okay, fine.
Thank you, kind sir.
Pleasure.
What do you think of Austin's bare face? 13-year-old boy now. Because now we know this is here, we should come back and test ride,
Yeah.
shouldn't we?
What would you test ride? The R12.
Probably. Yeah, probably.
Go for
But what's the difference between that and the R92?
R12 would tell me it's a different size, right, than an R9. You'd have thought.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. So it's a different engine. It sounds like they've basically just tuned it down for the Euro regs. So the R12 pumps out 94 brake. The R9 takes 109. But they've included like rubber wire and stuff.
Right. Okay. So it's a little bit more spec'd up in
Yeah, a little
technology,
bit more spec'd up.
but a little bit spec'd down in engine.
Yeah.
It seems. Yeah. Personally, then I would go for an R90.
They hold their value so well though.
They do,
I've been looking at them for ages and they don't seem to come down.
Yeah, the R90 Urban GS. I've been looking at them. It's a really nice grey with a brown leather seat one. This one, 750. So nice.
Yeah, that's smart. The little fairing.
Cool, isn't it?
I love that seat as well.
Apparently the R90 race is just uncomfortable. I think it's the most beautiful machine, but
Is that the cafe racer looking
yeah,
one?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they're cool.
They are cool. Like less scrambler, more like cool racer
That
vibes.
pipe is absolutely mental. Have you just clocked it? It just goes
It's
round the
coming
engine
out
once
the
like a
front.
snake and then comes out the front. Little loop de loop.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mad, mate. I bet that sounds insane.
I like the sound of so many bikes at the moment.
Yeah.
The Thruxton.
What did your channel say Tuxton in the end?
Let's have a look. Let's see what the votes are. So, we've got 140 votes.
Nice.
24% Royal Enfield Interceptor or GT.
Okay.
11% Yamaha XSR 900. 49% Triumph Thruxton / Bonnie. 16% Kawasaki Z900 RS.
Anything else in the comments that took your eye?
Lots of people saying Thruxton.
Really?
Yeah.
They
So
are
I think
cool.
Thruxton is winning. Depends if I want the 865 or the new 1200.
It depends as well. Like, are we going to do like another trip this year? Because would you want to do a trip in a Thruxton? I don't know.
Yeah.
Do you reckon you could?
Yeah.
You fly
They're just
to...
a Bonneville, just a little different seating position, isn't there? Really.
Yeah, I suppose.
Same engine.
You fly to Switzerland on a Thruxton.
I'd love to,
That would
it'd be
cool,
sick.
man.
Yeah.
The backpack.
Just, yeah, backpack,
With
maybe
some
something
drinks.
strapped to the
Cigarettes in your pocket and just fly, baby.
leather jacket
Mate, that is it. That's the life, man.
and a Bell Bullet helmet.
No,
Scream.
do not
No
buy a
way.
Bell Bullet. None of you buy a Bell Bullet helmet. They're the worst things I've ever put on. Somehow
It's
it's
just
like
so good looking.
somehow it's noisier in
don't-
the helmet than it
yeah,
is
I
out of the helmet.
don't know how they've got
I think
away with that.
riding without a helmet is less noisy than riding with that thing on. And it can't be safe
No.
because it's like 4 inches from your head.
But
If you
they
come
have
off-
brought out a new one.
Have they?
I think it's about 450 quid, so I'd like. But then you can't test the helmet.
Bell Bullet extra noisy.
You're not going to want to buy that and then it be the same as the older one. So the old ones are 200, but the new ones are 450. So they've got to be better somehow. I don't know.
It would go with the bike though, wouldn't it?
Would go with the bike.
What was the helmet we had? The one we both had, the Shui.
The Glamster.
The Glamster.
That was cool.
Yeah,
that
it
would
was
go. That would go.
Yeah, one of them.
But
I like
again,
my Glamster.
like
Whatever.
500 quid.
Are they?
Get what you pay for, didn't you?
Yeah, you get your pay for.
Yeah, I like the Glamster. Yeah, that's the one I took to Switzerland.
And me.
Oh
Blue
yeah, we
one.
both had them.
Yeah,
Didn't
my blue one, didn't I?
we? Insert picture here. breakfast?
Yeah, had some granola.
So you don't want to go get a naughty fry up?
A naughty fry up.
That
NORTY.
two in Road Cafe. There's a motorbike outside on the pictures. Come, let's
Yeah,
go get a
you've
greasy
You've
spoon.
charmed me.
It's in Welwyn, it's down the road.
25-minute walk. Let's do it, let's go. I'll get some eggs.
Alright, round the corner for eggs, yeah? Alright, cheers, thank you.
Thanks, man.
One with hash brown.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure, pleasure. Living his best life.